Yo, I'm Andres Mateus, and I'm about to explain you what autonomous learning is. So, on this video, I will show you some characteristics, advantages, tips, my own experience, and of course the meaning. So, first of all, we have to understand what does it mean. Autonomous learning is a way of acquiring knowledge, ideas, or attitudes that is produced independently by the learner. So, basically, it means that everything runs on your own. But doesn't mean that you have to do everything by yourself. You might get help from another person, for example, a teacher. You will decide what to study, when to study, how to study, and even where to study. The idea that individuals should be autonomous in their learning was first proposed in 1981 by Henry Holleck, who is considered the father of the theory of learner autonomy. Now, we will see some characteristics. Responsibility. If you want to enrich or acquire knowledge, you have to create a process to do that. No one else is gonna do it for you. So you have to do everything by yourself. In some way. You have to be focused on your studies. For example, if the topic that you wanna learn is related with your career or your studies, it will be easier for you to learn it. For example, you are studying more languages and you wanna learn Chinese or Italian. It will be easier for you to learn it. Creativity. You will be able to solve problems by yourself and create strategies to do everything. Self-motivating. The motivation doesn't come from your teacher. It comes from yourself, no one else. Self-dependent. As I told you, you might get help from another person, a teacher, but you cannot require teaching supervision for do everything because you assume the responsibility of, of your own duties. Now, some advantages. Encourage curiosity and creativity. Encourage self-discipline. Solve problems by yourself. That, as I told you, that is creativity. Freedom. This freedom means that you will be able to manage your time, even your free time. You are more constructive and independent. Improve your learning strategies and techniques, and improve self-esteem. When you achieve a goal, you will feel awesome. You will think that everything that you propose, you are able to do it, and in some way that's true. Now, so some tips for starting. Try to study every single day at the same time. Your body requires food at certain time of the day. For example, lunch. You eat to lunch at 3 p.m. So train your mind to in order that it asks for you to study at 5 p.m. You must find an appropriate place for study. If you study at night or with any light, it will be difficult to study. You have to try to study at day or with good light. Read the topic that you are gonna study first. If you do this, it will be easier for you to learn the topic that day. Combine study time with rest periods. It is not healthy if you study all the day without a nap. You have to try to take a nap 30 minutes per day. Make it your goal to learn something every time you study. If you do this, you will learn a lot of things in 1 week, in 1 month, in a year, for example. You cannot learn the same in 1 week for every single day. You have to change your topic. So now I'm going to tell you my experience. My autonomous learning has been focused on languages, especially English and French. I spend 1 hour per day. Sometimes I spend more. And most of the cases I listen to music, watch series, read an article or a book, and with that I acquire new vocabulary. It has been useful for my life. For example, get a routine. It's easy for me now. Um, I take decisions better, and I think carefully. So basically, autonomous learning has been a useful tool for my life and my university. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.